and as we wrap up Oceans of Possibilities, make sure you get your reading logs turned in. The staff had a wonderful time preparing all this stuff, and we hope you enjoyed it too. Moving on to our next subject is 4th of July and fireworks. Fireworks can be dangerous. So instead, we're going to make a popper. And we're going to make it out of a regular sheet of paper and it pops. So let's get started.